Thinking about starting a dropshipping business in 2025 but don't know where to begin? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to start your dropshipping business from scratch, even if you have zero experience. I'll also teach you how to market it like a pro. So make sure to like this video, subscribe, and stay tuned for valuable insights. Let's dive right in and explore the essential steps to kickstart your dropshipping journey. First, you need to identify a niche that suits your interests and has market potential. Once you've chosen your niche, research your target audience to understand their preferences and needs. Next, select reliable suppliers who can provide quality products and timely shipping. After securing your suppliers, it's time to set up your online store using a user-friendly platform. Make sure to create an engaging and visually appealing storefront that attracts customers. Once your store is live, focus on implementing effective marketing strategies to drive traffic. Utilize social media platforms, email marketing, and search engine optimization to reach your audience effectively. Finally, monitor your performance metrics regularly to refine your strategies and maximize profitability. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the essential steps to create a successful online store, starting with selecting the perfect products. Next, we'll delve into the intricacies of building your store, focusing on design and usability to attract your customers effectively. Finally, we will discuss how to launch effective advertising campaigns that can truly convert clicks into sales and drive revenue for your business. As we move forward, don't forget to grab your notebook, as I'll share my personal checklist designed to help you avoid common pitfalls that many beginners face. Make sure to stay tuned until the end, where I'll reveal this invaluable checklist that can save you both time and money in your entrepreneurial journey. Remember to like this video and subscribe for more insightful content that will guide you through every step of your online business adventure. With each step we cover, you'll gain the confidence and knowledge necessary to transform your ideas into a profitable online venture. Let's embark on this journey together, ensuring you have all the tools you need to succeed in the competitive world of e-commerce. By the end of this session, you'll be equipped with actionable insights that can lead to tangible results for your online store. First, what is dropshipping? It's a business model where you sell products without holding inventory. A customer places an order on your online store, you forward the order to a supplier, and they ship it directly to your customer. You keep the profit difference. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and stay tuned for more. Understanding the fundamentals of dropshipping can set you on the path to financial freedom. Researching your niche is crucial to identify profitable products that resonate with your target audience. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to find reliable suppliers who can deliver quality products. Next, create an engaging online store that showcases your products and tells your brand story. Implementing effective marketing strategies will help drive traffic to your store and increase sales. Lastly, continuously optimize your store and customer service based on feedback and analytics to enhance the shopping experience. With persistence and dedication, you can turn your dropshipping venture into a thriving business. Embrace the challenges and learn from them, as every setback is an opportunity for growth. As you navigate the world of dropshipping, remember to stay adaptable and open to change in the market. Choosing a niche is a vital step in building a successful business, as it allows you to cater to a specific audience and establish your brand identity. By narrowing your focus, you can tailor your marketing strategies to resonate deeply with your chosen community. This approach not only increases customer loyalty, but also enhances your brand's credibility within that niche. Additionally, by specializing, you can more easily identify trends and meet the specific needs of your audience. Ultimately, a well-defined niche can distinguish you from competitors and position you as an expert in your field. As you refine your niche, remember to engage with your audience and gather feedback to adapt to their evolving preferences. Emphasizing the importance of community-building relationships with your audience can lead to valuable word-of-mouth marketing. Finally, always remember that your niche should reflect your passion and interests, as this authenticity will resonate with your audience. With perseverance and a clear focus, you can cultivate a thriving business that not only meets the needs of your niche, but also brings you personal fulfillment. In conclusion, choosing a niche is about aligning your business with your passions while effectively serving a specific audience. To find winning products, start by utilizing powerful tools such as TikTok Creative Center and AliExpress Dropshipping Center. Next, explore platforms like Ecom Hunt and Sell the Trend to identify items that captivate consumers. Look specifically for products that address a common problem, providing practical solutions for buyers. Additionally, pay attention to items that have a wow factor, those that impress and intrigue potential customers. Finally, keep an eye on trending products that are gaining traction across social media platforms. By incorporating these strategies, you can effectively pinpoint products with high potential for success in the market. Remember to appreciate this video and subscribe for more insights on finding winning products. With these tools and strategies at your disposal, you're well on your way to discovering standout products that can drive your business forward. Embrace the journey of product discovery, and don't hesitate to experiment with different ideas until you find the perfect match. Stay updated with market trends and consumer preferences as they can change rapidly and influence your product selection. Lastly, engage with your audience to gather feedback and insights which can guide your future product choices. In step 4, it's time to build your store utilizing platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce for a seamless experience. Selecting a clean and attractive theme is essential for creating a visually appealing online store that draws customers in. Writing product descriptions that highlight the benefits of your items is crucial for attracting buyers and encouraging purchases. Incorporating trust elements such as customer reviews and a comprehensive FAQ section can significantly enhance consumer confidence in your store. Lastly, don't forget to encourage interaction by asking viewers to like the video, subscribe to your channel, and share their opinions in the comments section. Now that your store is set up with a clean theme, compelling product descriptions, and trust elements, you're ready to launch and attract customers. Monitoring your store's performance through analytics will help you understand customer behavior and make necessary adjustments. Engaging with your customers through social media and email marketing can also drive traffic and foster loyalty. Continuously optimizing your store based on customer feedback and market trends will keep your business competitive and thriving. Setting up effective marketing strategies is crucial for the success of your product, as visibility directly impacts sales. Begin by leveraging TikTok's organic videos, which can help you reach a wider audience without any upfront costs. Next, consider investing in TikTok or Meta ads to increase your visibility through targeted campaigns. Don't overlook the power of influencer shoutouts, as they can effectively promote your product to their established audiences at a medium cost. It's essential to test different creatives to see which resonates best with your target audience and drives conversion. Finally, make sure to track your results meticulously, as analyzing performance data will guide you in optimizing your marketing efforts. For more information and ongoing tips on marketing strategies, don't forget to subscribe to our updates. By staying informed and adaptable, you can refine your marketing approach and enhance your product's visibility over time. Embrace experimentation in your marketing tactics, as the best strategies often emerge from creative trial and error. Ultimately, persistence and innovation in your marketing efforts will set you apart from competitors and lead to greater sales success. In the dynamic world of dropshipping, fulfilling orders efficiently and analyzing your data is paramount to success. Examine which advertisements are driving the most conversions, as understanding this can significantly enhance your marketing strategy. Pay close attention to where potential customers drop off during their journey, as this will help you refine your sales funnel. Remember to test multiple products rather than focusing on just one, as variety can help identify what resonates with your audience. Utilizing video ads with compelling hooks can capture attention and engage potential customers more effectively than static images. Building an email list serves as a safety net, ensuring you can reach your audience even when ad performance begins to wane. Finally, always stay updated with industry trends and insights to keep your dropshipping business competitive and responsive. Like and subscribe for more valuable information on navigating the dropshipping landscape in 2025, as your journey doesn't have to be a solitary one. By implementing these strategies, you can optimize your operations and set your business up for long-term success in the ever-evolving e-commerce world. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more dropshipping content. Want my free dropshipping launch checklist? Click the link in the description. It'll save you hours and hundreds of dollars. Start small, stay consistent, and remember, your first sale is just the beginning. With each step forward, you'll build momentum and confidence in your dropshipping journey. Embrace the challenges as learning opportunities that will pave the way to your success. Connect with fellow entrepreneurs and share your experiences to foster growth and support. Celebrate every milestone, no matter how small, as it contributes to your larger vision. Keep refining your strategies based on feedback and market trends to stay ahead of the competition. Stay adaptable and open to change, as the online marketplace is always evolving. Invest in your education by staying informed about the latest dropshipping techniques and tools. Lastly, never lose sight of your passion and purpose. They are your driving forces. By nurturing your passion, you'll inspire others and create a community that thrives together. Remember, perseverance is key. The journey may be tough, but the rewards are worth it. Stay focused on your goals and keep pushing forward, even when faced with setbacks.